But now what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce you to a new way to multiply. I just need everyone to put their things away and look up at the board. You guys need to quiet down back there. Thank you. We're going to introduce a new way of solving story problems that deal with multiplication. So word problems are, like you guys have, we learned about them for addition and subtraction. Now we're just going to learn about them for multiplying, where we're given a word problem and we need to translate it in order to solve it. So I have an example up here on the board, if everyone could just look, and we're going to try to work these out together. I'm going to read it out loud. Quiet down or you will not be able to hear me. Last warning. Thank you. Our example says, Mary wants to make 2 lemon pies that use 5 lemons each. How many lemons should Mary buy? So after reading our question, the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure we understand the question and we are capable of translating it into a mathematical statement. A mathematical statement is the equation that we're going to use to solve this problem. So we look back at the problem when we try to figure out exactly what we need to know. So for this problem, it says we need to know how many lemons Mary's going to need to buy to bake what? How many pies is Mary wanting to bake? 2 pies. So we take the number 2 because Mary wants to make 2 lemon pies. Sometimes it's good to underline the main things that you're going to be multiplying by. That way you don't forget them. So Mary's going to make 2 lemon pies. And she uses 5 lemons for each pie. So in order to know how many lemons Mary's going to need, we're going to multiply that. We're going to multiply 2 by 5 lemons. Can someone look at their chart and help me find out what 2 times 5 is? 2 times 5. Good. So Mary's going to need 10 lemons. Then it says, what if Mary makes 4 pies? So what are we changing here? How many lemons will she need? So first she was making 2 pies and we got an answer of 10 lemons. Now she's thinking about making 4 pies. So what are we multiplying here? Good. 4 times 5. Because she wants to make 4 pies. And from the first problem, we know that each pie takes 5 lemons. So what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5. Or you could do 5 times 4. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Good. So if she's going to make 4 pies, she'll need 20 lemons. Okay, boys and girls. Now I'm going to give you guys 3 brief word problems that use multiplication, similar to the example that we just did on the board. I need you guys to read the questions very thoroughly and make sure you understand them. I'm giving them to you to do in class right now because I'm here to help you if you need any help. So make sure if you're stuck or you're having a hard time reading the questions and understanding it, that you raise your hand quietly. And I need it to be quiet in here because this is something new to everyone and you guys need time to actually think thoroughly about the questions and actually be quiet. Do I have a volunteer that would like to pass this out? Thank you. Okay, I'm going to read the first problem and then you guys can get to work. 3 girls at the playground found a patch of 4-leaf clovers behind the merry-go-round. Each girl picked 5 4-leaf clovers. How many clovers did they pick all together? So these should be really brief. I'm going to give you guys a good 15 minutes to hopefully work that out. That should be enough time for everyone to work out the problems on the worksheet, and then we're going to continue.